My name is Zahra Nafisah Azizah. I was born in Bandung, November 8, 2000. I live in Rancaikek, but since junior high, I go to school in Bandung. So I used to go to school far away from my home. From Bandung to Rancaikek is about 1.5 hours. We normally ride motorcycle or a train. But for a student like me or a worker, I would totally recommend to ride a train because it's cheaper and also faster. I would say Rancaikek is the countryside of West Java because we still have a lot of wet rice field and some kind of tree. That's why in here it's so chilly and cold. My mom said that a property in here is a lot cheaper than in a big city. In Rancaikek, we experience a lot of rain. Not just rain, we also experience a flood. Even though it's just slightly rain. So imagine a big rain here. Yeah, the flood can be as tall as our knee. That's why Rancaikek is known as a floody country. And almost every house in here have a second floor. In case something happen, we can easily move everything to the second floor. And everything cheaper here, but we also have to experience that every year. So yeah, I would say it's 50-50. Now I'm going to talk about an education. Should it be free or not? Education in Indonesia have to have at least a little bit of an improvement. As we all know, not everyone in Indonesia can go to school and following a dream with a limited budget. Some of us may be done until high school or even junior high and go to work not in the best position. Because nowadays, if we want to work in a big company and making so much money, we have to have at least a bachelor degree or maybe 3 years of diploma. How are we going to be a developed country when we can't even go to school and get some education? I'm pretty sure it's really hard to make education free because I don't think the government have that much money for paying so many teachers. And the problem right now, public school is cheaper than private school. And we have to work really hard for competing to get accepted in public school because they only accept a little bit of students. So if we were not passing the test, we have to go to private school, which costs a lot of money. I think the solution is the government have to help people who have limited budget for school so we can have the same amount of education and hopefully education in Indonesia will get better.